In this video, I am going to explain about how to find the factorial of a number in Python. So before moving on to the code, we'll know what is a factorial in a simple words. So factorial is a product of an integer and product of all integers below it. So let's see an example, small example. Let's say 5 factorial. Okay, so 5 is an integer and I have to do a product of 5 now. 5 into all product of all the integers below 5. So below 5, what are the integers? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what is the overall factorial of 5? That is 120. So we'll see the same implementation in Python. How can we write the code? So I'll take a user input first. Let's say number equal to int of input. Okay, enter a number. Okay, I'll take a factorial. Okay, equal to 1. Okay, I'll take a range function now for I in range. Okay, my range starts from 1 comma and the number which we specify in the input, that will be here, and it will also be incremented by 1. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to multiply our factorial with I. I is nothing but our range. 1 comma whatever the number I have I specify here, that will be our range. Okay, 1 comma, suppose if I specify 6 here, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, my range is 1 comma 7. Okay, 1 comma 7, 1 to 7, those numbers are I. Okay, so that is what we have to do here, which is factorial equal to into equal to I. So we are multiplying our factorial with I. Okay, now I'll print factorial. So if I print and run it, it is asking for a number. So let's say 5. See, 5 factorial is 120, which is correct. Okay, so let's say 3. So 3 factorial is 6. Okay, let me clear this. If I run it again, 3 factorial is 6. Okay, so this is how we can find a factorial of a number in Python using a simple program. Hope you like this video. Thank you.